Hi kitty cats! So today I'm going to show you my Ipsy glam bag. Bianca will not be joining us on this one today. She's not feeling... She already opened hers and just not feeling it this week. So, I've got some extra stuff in here too, along with the bag. Okay. The bag, of course, is like Valentine's-y because it was for February, and it's March now. But today's National. I can't speak today. Today is International Women's Day. Just for your information. So remember to celebrate the women in your life. This is the Benton Deep Green Tea Cleansing Foam. Okay. Moist and purifying cleanser enriched with green tea. Bolseong, I don't know if I'm saying that right, which is the most famous tea producing area in Korea. The cleanser helps clear and healthy cleansing without skin tightening while leaving skin refreshed, hydrated, and vitalized. Okay. I'll check that out. And sorry if I'm trying to have some energy, but it's really, I'm not feeling good, which is why I haven't had as many videos. I know, it's like I have a couple good weeks and then I have a couple bad weeks. I don't know why that's how it's working out for me. Oh yes, I wanted this. The Makeup Forever Professional Ultra HD Invisible Cover Foundation. And the color, does it tell me the color? I don't see the color on here. I think it's like light or something. Not sure. So, it has a pump, which I can really appreciate. And we'll be trying out this. I've been trying out foundations lately. Seems like during 2020 I bought like no foundation. I was just using up what I had, and some of it got really gross. Just saying. I was like, maybe I should get rid of some of this and try some new things. Dr. Brandt, which is always good. Dr. Brandt's stuff is always just great. Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. So it's basically an overnight moisturizer. So this will probably be a really nice overnight sleeping moisturizer mask, whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna break these down. That one was easy to break down. That broke right down. Sometimes these things don't, you know. Sorry. I know I keep apologizing, but I feel really bad that I'm just not energetic. And that you're not getting the best of me. Refresh Hydrating Setting Spray from Kokie. I've been trying out different Kokie products here and there. And I am gonna do a lip gloss swatch with you soon on some lip glosses that I bought from them. But this should be interesting to see how good of a setting spray it is. Basic. Oh, these are the tweezers. This was an add-on. I really wanted tweezers. They're pink ones. I wanted them mostly because I don't like eyelash tweezers for putting on eyelashes. I just like regular ones. Although these look like they might be a little too small for that. We'll see. MAC. I don't really care for MAC stuff. I know it's like blasphemous, but this did look like a pretty color. It's in the color Sweet Sakura. It's gonna come out. Come on, there you go. Classic MAC lipstick. Let's see. Sort of an orangey red. Maybe even a little bit pinky in color. There's the card. I don't know why I care, because it's not like they tell me prices or anything. And I know that people complain about this all the time, yet they don't change it. They want you to go look up on the website. But it's much more convenient for us for it to be on the card like other companies do. It's the one thing I don't like about Ipsy is that they won't put the prices on these cards like every month, and it's something that everybody wants, so why don't you do it? Because I watch other people opening their Ipsy and almost everybody says, gosh, I wish the prices were here. So it's a very annoying thing that they won't do it. It's very annoying. It's like, out of all the things to choose not to do, why that? I don't understand. So I also got this Universal C Skin Refiner. Sorry, I have a bit of psoriasis right here on my cheek, and I keep seeing it when I look down, and it drives me insane. So this seems like I'm not sure what it is. No. Universal C Skin Refiner. So it's like is it a serum? I think it's a serum. Try to ignore the cat in the background who's meowing at me. I will get to him in a minute. That's why I didn't. No. So here we go. I don't know. The packaging on this seems a little cheap to me, but it is a pump. I do appreciate pumps. We all know that. So I'm not sure if this is a moisturizer. It says Pre-Bio Moisture Boost Cream. I'm confused by that. I'm very confused. Okay. Well, it's a vitamin C cream. So that's what I got for the month of February, and it came in this little red bag with little kisses all over it. Very cute. So, and of course, I don't remember which were the extras. I know I did like an add-on or two for this one. I did get a lot of skincare, so this can go in here too, because I'm going to take this bag and bring it into the other room later. A lot of skincare. Not much makeup, but I think this month for March, I have a lot of makeup and not much skincare, so I'm very interested in seeing what this cleansing foam is like. I don't tend to like foam things, but you know, like cleansers, soaps, hand soap even, I'm not a fan, but once in a while something turns out to be worth it. And I do like green tea products, both for drinking and for skincare. So we'll see how that goes, right? And thanks for watching. I know this was kind of a slow, tedious one. And please, you know, share it, give it a thumbs up, all that stuff that helps me out. And also, just be safe out there. Be safe. Take good care of yourself. Okay? Self-care is important. Okay, kitty cats.